The Goblin Tinkerer is an essential part of Terraria's progression, and a lot of new players don't understand how they're meant to get him to spawn. So this video will be an instruction video on how to get him to spawn. The Goblin Tinkerer only spawns after you've defeated the Goblin Army for the first time. In order to do so, you need to summon them, and there's two ways to do so. You summon them the natural way, or through a Goblin Tinkerer summon. Now, this video will be about the natural way to do so. To get the Goblin Army to summon, you'll have to meet two basic criteria. The first one would be to obtain 200 health points. And this is done by obtaining 5 heart crystals that you can find in the underground cavern lair. And the next one would be to break either a Crimson Heart or a Shadow Orb that are found in the Crimson or Corruption biomes underground. You can break the Crimson Heart with either a hammer or using dynamite you can smash them. And after you've done that, you'll have met the basic criteria to finally summon the Goblin Army. The Goblin Army tends to naturally spawn in the mornings, and you'll get to fight them every single morning until you finally defeat them. And it's a bit of a tedious task defeating them. They are quite difficult for new players. You can look up different methods to cheese the Goblin Army by making different arenas that'll allow you to defeat them easier. But once you've done that, once you've finally defeated the Goblin Army, the Goblin Tinkerer will spawn in the cavern lair in your world underground as a bound NPC. And you'll have to go underground in the cavern lair to finally find him. When you go exploring, I recommend taking torches with you so you can illuminate your surroundings in the underground cavern lair. And once you're down there, you can dig a large horizontal platform that'll help you locate the Goblin Tinkerer easier. You'll be able to see him. He'll spawn off screen, so he won't teleport in front of you magically. He'll spawn off screen, so when you walk back and forth, you'll eventually find him. And you'll see him as a little small dude that's tied up. You have to right-click on him, and you'll get him to finally be an NPC in your world. The next step will be to make the Goblin Tinkerer a house. Once you do that, he'll become a proper NPC that you can visit frequently. You can buy things from him, you can reforge your stuff, upgrades, all of that good stuff. So that's been how exactly you're meant to summon the Goblin Tinkerer in your world. I hope this tutorial has been helpful to you. I hope my instructions were clear. If you have any questions that you need answered, I'll be happy to answer them in the comments. I'll see you guys later.